In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an admin on a Facebook business page. I'm also going to show you the other roles available to help manage your page and how to remove anyone from your Facebook business page that you previously gave access to. I'm Tracy, and this channel is for anyone that needs some help getting their business online. If this is what you're looking for, be sure to subscribe down below and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Now let's get to work. We're going to go over page roles, and this is where you're able to invite other users to help manage your page. If you need help creating a Facebook business page, check out the video link above or in the description below. And how you get to page roles is you go to Settings and scroll down to page roles. We click on page roles, and now we have the existing people that are part of this page, which is myself. When you create a page, you automatically become its admin. This means you have full access to all features and settings on a page and the ability to assign roles to other people. And now I can actually add more people to manage this page. And there's different roles. There's editor, moderator, advertiser, and analyst. The highest authority is admin, and they have all the powers. For a quick overview, these are the page roles. As I said, the admin role gives people total access to make changes to your page. The editor role can do everything but manage page roles and settings. Moderators can send messages and respond to comments as the page. The advertiser's role can only create ads and view insights. And the analyst role lets people see insight and who's published on a page. And if you forget what each role does, there's a nice little help message under here that shows you exactly what they can and cannot do. We're going to enter an email or a name of someone that already has a Facebook account. The person you want to manage your page doesn't have a Facebook account, they'll need to create one. That's the only way they can manage a page. So we're going to enter an email or a username that is attached to their Facebook account. I'm going to enter a name, and now I'm going to add that person to my Facebook page, and I am going to make him an editor, but I could easily add him as an admin if I wanted to. I'm going to add. I have to put in my password in order to do this, and I hit submit, and now it shows that he has been invited as an editor. The status is pending, and right now I can cancel the invitation, but why would I? You can assign multiple people to your page. Again, just make sure that you are comfortable with the roles that they will have on your page. Remember, the person you add will need to accept the invitation before they can help you manage your page. I'm going to refresh the page to see if Randy has accepted the invitation. And you can see below that he is now the editor. I can go in here and I can change his role, put him as an admin if I chose to, and I would hit save. I'll have to put in my password again. And now he's an admin and can go in and add new users or remove me. Or I can actually remove him by clicking on remove, and it will give me a pop-up in case Randy had scheduled some posts, and it would want to let me know that they can either be deleted or transferred over to me. I'm going to click on confirm, and now Randy is no longer associated with this page. You now know how to add a person to your Facebook page and in any type of role, including add admin. If you want to learn more about setting up or optimizing your page, check out the Facebook business page setup guide I provided in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get notified when I upload a new video.